I'm Emma Peckford. I'm 15 years old, and I live in Corner Brook, Newfoundland. For as long as I can remember, and even before I can remember, music has been a major part of my life. My dad tells me stories of when I was a baby and I was crying and upset, and the thing that would calm me down the quickest is when he took out his guitar. I've been singing since I could talk, and I've been playing my guitar since my guitar was too big for me. My earliest memory of performing in front of people was when I was 5 years old. I played at the Christmas Eve service at my church. I had to memorize the whole song because I couldn't read the words. I have been involved with choirs and school bands, and I teach music lessons, and I take music lessons, and I've just always had music in my life. I just love it with everything in me, and it has really benefited me a lot. I started performing 2 years ago, and it seriously changed my life. It made me so much more confident in myself and in my music, and it made me realize how much I love performing for people and how much I love performing for myself. It made me just a completely different person because I found something that I truly love. And that is why I think I should win She's the One. This is my cover of Iron and Wine's Flightless Bird, American Mouth. Quick-witted boy diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. And when the cops close a fair, I cut my long baby hair. Stole me a dog-eared map and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lost you? American mouth, big pill looming. Now I'm a fat house cat nursing my sore blind tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos, those fishing lures thrown in the cold and clean blood of Christ mountain stream.